I'm Shannon. I am a new independent consultant for Pampered Chef, and I just got my new kit today, and hubby and I plan on making buffalo chicken dip. Okay, I'm doing a video using the mixing shop by myself. I don't have anybody to hold the camera for me, so I'm just gonna use it. Oops, sorry. Hi guys, I just wanted to jump on here and show you a little bit about this ceramic egg cooker. I have it here, and I've used it a couple of times, so I just kind of wanted to show you how it works. I like Starbucks coffee, so you can see the filter. Oops, sorry. Oh, to go live. I got my deluxe cooking blender here, and we're going to be making the coffee smoothie. And why am I having troubles? Hi guys, I am so knocking over this tripod. Hi guys, I am so excited to be showing you the new spring products. So excited. But the one thing that I'm probably going to be showing you a ton of is the new deluxe electric grill and griddle. It is a lot of things. So imagine
the other guy.
Can you adjust the temperature on your?
The other guy.
Can you put a timer on your?
The other guy.
Take 3. I have tried to record this video 3 times. I don't know why my phone is not recording. Okay, let's try this again. That beeping is, my husband is smoking meats outside, so we'll get a glimpse of hubby out there smoking. He has no idea that I'm doing this live right now. Okay, let me see if this turns around. Oh, good, it does. Oh, please don't look at the disastrous mess of my kitchen. This is what happened when hubby cooks. Okay, he's not coming. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. Okay, don't tell anybody I showed you that. Who says you can't have French toast while you're camping? Honey, you think you got this can opener thing? I think you got it. Yep. And then use a little picker-upper thing. Yay! Good job, babe!
It's like Tom Servo from Mystery Science Theater 3000. Oh. That movie was terrible.
Hi guys! So you are not going to believe how easy this is to use. Just run it back and forth, and it shreds both ways. So pretty easy. There you have it. How awesome and easy is that? You can get recipes off of the Pampered Chef website. I don't know why I'm tongue-tied today. I need more coffee or something. But as my sister likes to tell me, read before you proceed. 1 cup prep bowls. I'd taken one of these to work one day. Had something in there I wanted to heat up in the microwave. So I put it in the microwave. When I took it out, the lid had melted. Well, guess what Shannon didn't do? She didn't read before she proceeded. It does actually say in the use and care, don't microwave the lid. Don't try to pick up the pan that has hot water in it because, you know, you burn yourself. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking in a Shoebox, where counter space is a myth and every meal is a game of kitchen Tetris. Who here is not familiar with Pampered Chef? Good morning from Chicago. I'm heading out to the conference.